Good afternoon, Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. Here it's that time again. We get to do a recap of our day trading scalping system, how we went last week. We run this system live in our chat room each and every week for our premium members. And if you like what you see, the links below to sign on up, and you can take all the trades and use our systems with us and extract money for yourself. We don't view any single one trade as a win or loss. We view our weeks, whether we won money or we lost money. Some days we do lose, but more times than not, we're on the correct side of the trend. And I'm going to show you this right here, how our scalping system paid all of us this week. The team was able to pull money out yet again, and we get to come and do the same thing next week, even though the markets are closed Monday. Remember that Tuesday we'll be back live again. So reach on out if you want to join the team. First and foremost, I thank you guys for giving me the time to show you guys our system and how it went this week. And I'll show you how we're on the correct side of the moves more times than not. Here's Friday. Here's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Here's Monday, 11/10. Date is 11/16, and let's dive in. We trade this system from 9:30 to 12. That's when we have the best probabilities. We come in, work part-time hours to make full-time income, and that's why a lot of us like our scalping side. We have a couple other tools that we use in our room as well. So if you come into our room and check out our premium service, you'll get to see our report that we have where we can plan our week out ahead of time. We do a Sunday night planning call. We do a Wednesday midweek recap, and we go over the report on the first of every single month. So that's our biggest tool that we use in line with our scalping system here. We win a lot more times than we lose. So let's dive in. Just reach out if you have any questions for me, and we'll get them squared away. So Monday, we trade 9:30 to 12, and after that, we can go enjoy the day. We have momentum shift to the upside. We almost took our puts right here, but then we saw we had a change in trend starting right here. Price came up, and we were expecting to take calls, or I'm sorry, we're expecting to take puts, and then we got this momentum shift, so it kept us out of a losing trade, and we're on the correct side. So we took calls here, our stop outs there, and our one-to-one target got hit right here, and we are 1-0 on this day. 12 o'clock comes, we don't get anything else. Just for this system, we have other tools and strategies that get us into other trades all day long. But like I said, this strategy is just for the first 2.5 hours. So we're 1-0. Let's go to the next day. We're in a downtrend. We're taking our first red arrow. We take puts here. Here's our stop out, and look where our target gets hit right there. In this trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and we're out. We are 2-0 in the week. We get a momentum shift to the upside. We take some calls right here. Here's our stop out, and look what happens. We get paid. I'm sorry. We took calls right here, and our stop out was right here, and we got paid right there. So we are 1-0 on Monday. We are 2-0 right now on this day, and then we actually get a third signal on this day. Right here, we get a momentum shift to the downside. We take this first red arrow, and look what happens. We get another leg down. Stop outs right here. Take profits right here. Boom. So we are 4-0 on the week right now. In 2 days trading, 12 o'clock comes, we stop trading this system. The reason we stop trading this system is because towards in the afternoon and towards later on in the day, we get a lot of moves that kind of just stay in a range. So like I said, we have other tools that get us into the trade. So we're 4-0 right now in 2 days, but that's the main reason why I personally don't like to trade this system later on in the day. And the odds are in your favor. Why not just trade them then? So we're 4-0. Let's go to the next day. We're Wednesday. We're 4-0. We take calls here. Here's our stop out. This trade failed to hit our target. We got stopped out right here for a loser. Unfortunately, this ended up going back in our favor anyway. So we're 4-1 on the week, and then we get momentum shift to the downside. We take our puts right here, right at 12 o'clock. It's valid, and we make our money back that we lost earlier. So we are 4-1. We are now 5-1 on the week right now. We're done on this day. Brings us to Thursday. Brings us to Thursday, and we are 5-1. We take our first blue arrow right here, our stops right here, and hits our target. We're 6-1. Then we take our first red arrow right here. Our stop out was right here. This right here gave us a 1-bar trap. Technically violated it. Some of us stayed in right there and had to stop right there and worked out in our favor. But for back test purposes, it did violate it. So we're going to call this a loser. So we are what we were 5-1 or 6-1, and this will be our second loss. So I think we are 6-2 right now. But we'll go back real quick and just make sure. So then Monday comes, or I'm sorry, Monday. Friday comes. We take calls here. Here's our stop. Target gets hit right here. 6-1, 7-1, and then we have momentum shift to the downside. We take our first red arrow right there. Plays out 8-2, I believe. Now we had 2 losses. 8-2 for the week, I believe, or we're 7-2 right now. And then we take do we get anything else here? Momentum shift to the upside. We take our first blue arrow. We actually have a loser right here. And we finished Friday out with 2 winners and 1 loser. So on this day, we go 2-1. Nothing that we could really do. 2-1. Let's go back to Thursday. 2-1. We get a winner there. We're 2-1. We're 3-1. We're 3-2. 3-2. And then here we get a loser, 3-2, 3-3. And then we get a winner there, 4-3. And we go back, 4-3. Winner, 5-3. Winner, 6-3. Winner, 7-3. And then we come here on Monday, and Monday gives us 7-3, 8-3. And that was it, because 11 was Monday. 8-3, yes sir. All right, so we did 8 winners, 3 losers. If you traded every single signal for the week, calculator, 8 winners divided by 8, 9, 10, 11 by 11, 72% win rate, a little bit underneath our 80% overall average, but another green week in the books. So think of it like this: you got 8 winners. Minus your 3 losers. So give or take, you pretty much net profited either 4 or 5 winners for the week. You know, I'll put a little slippage in there, so we'll just say 4 winners. So it's another green week. You take any 4 of these trades, and you're able to pull money out again. You know, some of our clients, they get if they get 5 winners, they quit trading. So I like to show you the recap if you trade this system all week long for every single signal. One of the trades in here that was a loser, I believe we did take a winner in the room. If I remember correctly, let me see this one right here. I believe we did take a winner on this one. Our target was about 20 cents, and it came right here to 13 cents. So it came pretty close to our target. We put a trail stop in, and this did prevent us from taking a loser. But from a back test for your belief system, if you held your 1-to-1 strictly, then you would have won 72% of your trades. If you would have taken the winner on that one, you would have went 9 divided by 11, which would actually put you over our average that we like to see. So some of our folks took 81% for the back test. I'm saying it went 72%, even though a lot of us did win this number right here, just because in the room, I tell people like this: if you take a trade right here and you put $1,000 on it, and your stop is right here, and your 1-to-1 is about right here, give or take, and it comes within a couple cents of your 1-to-1, and say you're up $200, are you willing to take a $200 loss, even though you're shy of your 1-to-1 target? Me, Not so much. I like to protect myself, but that's up to you. If you want to be a stickler and hold it to the 1-to-1, then you can do that. So like I said, for the back test, we're going to say 72%, basically 73% for the week. Another green week in the books here at Beast Mode Trading, just trading this scalping system. And we look forward to do the same exact thing next week. So 2 weeks here in 2021, 2 green weeks for the year to start our team out right. We also have swing trades for some of the folks that cannot sit here and day trade. And we're up over 300% now in the first 16 days here in January. So get in where you fit in. If you like what we do, please reach out. You have any questions, please reach out. We'll get you squared away. We'll get the ball rolling, and let's have some fun on Tuesday. All aboard, we say. Hey, thank you for your time. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Beast Mode out.